In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Minecraft launcher is not downloading from the Microsoft Store. So if you're trying to download Minecraft and you're getting some kind of error message, then there's actually a few things we can do to go and fix this. Now the first step is just to open up your start menu and search for settings, and then we're going to click on the settings window. In the left hand side, go and select apps, click on installed apps, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on system components. Now go and locate the Microsoft Store from this list, click on the three horizontal dots and click on advanced options. Now scroll down to the reset section and click on repair. Now just give that a couple of seconds and then we can click on reset. Click on reset at the top here and then click on network and internet in the left hand side. Click on VPN and ensure that you're disconnected and don't have any active VPN connections. Then click on time and language in the left hand side, click on date and time, make sure set time automatically is turned on, and also set time zone automatically needs to be turned on. Once you've done that, we can then head over to the start menu, search for run and click on the run icon. Now type in wsreset.exe and press enter. Once you've done that, that should open up the Microsoft Store. Now click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and if you're currently signed in to any accounts, then go and sign out, and then what you can do is click on sign in. Now just go and select your Microsoft account to sign in and press on continue. Once you're signed into your account, you can use the search box to go and search for Minecraft, and then we need to click on the Minecraft launcher, and you can try re-downloading the Minecraft launcher and checking to see if that's now solved your issue. Now if that's not working, the final solution is just to open up an internet browser, and what we're going to do is type in Minecraft download legacy client and press enter. Click on the second website, which is the official Minecraft website. Click on download for Windows, then click on your downloads in the top right hand side, and then you can open up this Minecraft installer and you can run through the steps on the screen to go and install this onto your computer. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.